Hello children, welcome back to my channel Calculus. In this session we will do the balance questions of exercise 3.4. Second question, form the pair of linear equations in the following problems and find their solutions by the elimination method. First part, if we add 1 to the numerator and subtract 1 from the denominator, a fraction reduces to 1. It becomes 1 by 2 if we only add 1 to the denominator. What is the fraction? So let x be the numerator and y be the denominator. Then the fraction is x by y. Then if we add 1 to the numerator, adding 1 to the numerator, that is s plus 1, and subtract 1 from the denominator, that is y minus 1, then the fraction reduces to 1, that is equal to 1. Then cross multiplying we get s plus 1 is equal to 1 into y minus 1, that is x minus y, this y transpose to left side, then plus 1, this minus 1 transpose to left side plus 1, that is 2 plus 2 equal to 0. This is equation number 1. Then next it becomes 1 by 2 if we only add 1 to the denominator, that is numerator is x and denominator is y plus 1, that becomes 1 by 2. Then here also cross multiplying 2x equal to 1 into y plus 1, that is 2x, this y left side minus y minus 1 equal to 0. This is equation number 2. From these two equations we can eliminate one variable, that is 1 into 2 gives 2x minus 2y equal to this 2 right side minus 2, that is minus 4. Then the second equation becomes 2x minus y is equal to 1. Then subtracting 2x minus 2x, this eliminates, then minus 2y minus minus y, that is minus 2y plus y, that is minus y is equal to minus 4 minus 1, that is minus 5. Therefore y is equal to 5. Then substituting in 1, x equal to y minus 2, that equal to 5 minus 2, which is equal to 3. So we get x and y, therefore the fraction is x by y, that is 3 by 5. Okay. Then the second question, 5 years ago Nuri was thrice as old as Sonu. 10 years later Nuri will be twice as old as Sonu. How old are Nuri and Sonu? We can suppose Nuri's and Sonu's present age, that is present age of Nuri is x and Sonu is y. Then 5 years ago Nuri's age is x minus 5, then Sonu's age is y minus 5. Then the condition is 5 years ago Nuri was, that is this s minus 5 was thrice as old as Sonu. Thrice means 3 times, 3 into y minus 5. So we can form an equation, that is s minus 5 is equal to 3y minus 3 into 5, 15. Then we can arrange x minus 3y is equal to minus 15 plus 5. That is x minus 3y is equal to minus 10. This is equation number 1. The next condition, 10 years later. So 10 years later, Nouri's age is x plus 10 and Sonu's age is y plus 10. Then the condition is 10 years later Nouri will be, that is x plus 10 is equal to twice as old as Sonu. Twice means 2 times. So 2 into y plus 10. Then bracket opening, s plus 10 is equal to 2y plus 20. Then arranging x minus 2y is equal to 20 minus 10. That is s minus 2y is equal to 10. This is equation number 2. These two equations, the coefficient of x is 1. So we can subtract s minus 3y is equal to minus 10 and x minus 2y is equal to 10. Then subtracting is x 10 cancelled, minus 3y minus 2y, that is minus 3y plus 2y, that is minus y equal to minus 10 minus 10, that is minus 20. Therefore y is equal to 20. Then substituting any one of the equations, x minus 3 into 20 equal to minus 10, that is x minus 60 equal to minus 10, x equal to minus 10 plus 60, which is equal to 50. So x equal to 50, y equal to 20, that is x is Nouri's age. Therefore Nouri's age is 50 years and Sonu's age is 20 years. Then the third question, the sum of the digits of a 2-digit number is 9. Also 9 times this number is twice the number obtained by reversing the order of digits. Find the number. Let x be the digits in ones place and y be the digit in tens place. Then we can write the number. Then the number is x plus 10y. Then the sum of the digits of a 2-digit number is 9. That is, the digits are x and y. So the sum is s plus y is equal to 9. This is one equation. Then also 9 times this number, that is this number 9 times, that is 9 into x plus 10y is twice means 2 times the number obtained by reversing the order. So reversing the order, y will be in ones place and x will be in tens place. Then here we can write reversing the order of digits, the number be y plus 10x, that is y is in ones place and x is in tens place. So here the condition is 9 times this number, that is this number s plus 10y into 9 is equal to twice the number obtained by reversing the order, that is 2 into this y plus 10x. Then bracket opening, 9x plus 90y is equal to 2y plus 20x. Then we can arrange 9x, then minus 20x plus 90y minus 2y is equal to 0. That is 9x minus 20x. What do you get? 20 minus 9? 11. 11x, that is minus 11x. Then 90 minus 2, that is plus 88y equal to 0. So 11 is common, that we can take outside, or throughout this equation we divide with 11, that is minus x, then plus 8y is equal to 0. This is equation number 2. Here the coefficient of x is 1 and here minus 1. So we can add these two equations. That is s plus y is equal to 9 minus x plus 8y is equal to 0. Then adding x minus x we get 0, that term eliminates. Then y plus 8y, that is 9y is equal to 9. Then y is equal to 9 by 9 which is equal to 1. Then we can substitute y is equal to 1 in here. Then x plus 1 is equal to 9. Therefore, x equal to 9 minus 1 is equal to 8. So, x equal to 8 and y equal to 1. Therefore, the number is x plus 10y, that equal to x is 8 plus 10 into 1, that is 8 plus 10 which is equal to 18. So, the number is 18. Fourth question. Meena went to a bank to withdraw rupees 2000. She asked the cashier to give her rupees 50 and rupees 100 notes only. Meena got 25 notes in all. Find how many notes of rupees 50 and rupees 100 she received. So first we can suppose 50 notes, that is there will be x 50 notes and y 100 notes. So let Meena got x rupees 50 notes and y rupees 100 notes. Then Meena got 25 notes in all, that is both the 50 and 100 notes together it is 25. So we can write x plus y is equal to 25. This will be equation number 1. Then the total money is rupees 2000, that is 50 notes are x. So x into 50, that is 50x, plus there will be 100 rupee notes y, that is 100 into y, 100 y together is rupees 2000, that is 2000. This is equation number 2. Here 50x plus 100y is equal to 2000. This equation 50 is common. So throughout this equation we can divide with 50, that is dividing with 50. This equation becomes x plus 2y is equal to, here dividing with 50 we get 1 0 cancel, then 40, that is 2000 divided by 50, 0 0, then 5 table 4 20 40. So 40, this is equation number 3. Then s plus y is equal to 25 and x plus 2y is equal to 40. So minusing, subtracting, x minus x cancel, y minus 2y, that is minus y is equal to 25 minus 40, that is minus 50, that is y is equal to 15. Then we can substitute any one of the equation, that is x plus 15 is equal to 25, that is x equal to 25 minus 15 which is equal to 10. So x equal to 10 and y is equal to 15, that is x is 50 notes, that is number of 50 notes is 10 and number of 100 rupee, it is here also rupee, notes is 100 rupee notes is 15. Then we can check 10 50 notes, we know that 50 into 10 500 and 15 100 notes, that is 1500, then the total will be 2000. So it is correct. Then the last question, a lending library has a fixed charge for the first 3 days and an additional charge for each day thereafter. Sarita paid rupees 27 for a book kept for 7 days and Susie paid rupees 21 for the book she kept for 5 days. Find the fixed charge and the charge for each extra day. So let x be the fixed charge and y be charge, the charge for extra day, that is additional charge. So a library has a fixed charge for the first 3 days. So first 3 days the charge is x, then plus after 7 days, 3 days after 4 days, that is 4y is equal to 27. This is equation number 1. And then Susie paid rupees 21 for the book she kept for 5 days. So first 3 days x, then after 2 days 2y is equal to 21. This is equation number 2. So these two equations have the coefficient of x is 1. Is minusing. This term eliminates. 4y minus 2y is equal to 27 minus 21, which is equal to 6. Therefore y equal to 6 by 2 equal to 3. Then substituting in 1, x plus 4 into 3 equal to 27. That is x plus 12 equal to 27. X equal to 27 minus 12, which is equal to 15. So x we get 15 and y 3. So first 3 days the fixed charge is the 15, and the next days each day the charge will be additional charge 3 rupees. Therefore the fixed charge is rupees 15 and extra charge for each day is rupees 3. Okay, this also we can check, that is x equal to 15. 15 plus 4 into 3 12, that equal to 27. Here 15 plus 2 into 3 6. 15 plus 6 equal to 21. So this is correct. Okay. Now this exercise is over. Let us wind up this session. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Okay. Thank you.